everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at the Pink Power CEO. So listen, I have been getting a lot of calls lately in regards to people concerned about their credit profiles, from those looking at their student loan or their social security numbers to all the data breaches that have been happening within the three major credit reporting agencies: Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, amongst other things, including student loans. Now popping back on people's credit files when they should still be in deferment and things of that nature, right? So a lot has been happening, a lot of violations have been happening, and you are somebody who may be affected by all of these breaches that you can take advantage of getting your file clean quickly. So a lot of people have been DMing me, inboxing me, calling me, texting me. So I wanted to put this message out so people know exactly what they can do and how they can do it affordably, and also still receive the support that they need along the way. Okay. So I am not somebody who is just into credit repair. I am someone who believes that financial intelligence is the most important thing when it comes to restoring your credit, because people who just fix their credit often come back within 1 year to 3 years for me to fix it all over again. What that tells me is you have not learned anything. So what I did was I put this program together. It's called the Pink Print, the Ultimate Credit Excellence Blueprint. It's now $299, but I'm giving a $100 discount at this time. And I want you to write this code down. The code is Pink Print 100. Pink Print, the number 100, all together. So write that down so that you can use it when you check out. Okay? Pink Print 100 so that you can gain access to the program yourself. Again, when I do your file, I promise you it's not going to be $200 or $300. It's not. That's not even the cost for me to remove inquiries for you. It's not. But I'm giving you access to this so that you have the tools that you need. I have been in this industry for over 30 years, about 31 years to be exact, at the time of this recording. So, what that means is I have a lot of extensive experience when it comes not just to being a credit advocate, but also when it comes to me fixing your, helping you get funded, when it comes to helping you with real estate projects, be it residential or commercial, whether you're a landlord or you're looking to be a tenant or a homeowner. Whatever it is as it pertains to business acquisition, business credit, all of those things, these are the things that I have been studying for these 3+ decades. So I have it, my team around me has it. I lost my mentor recently, but he has instilled a lot of information in me. This is somebody I spent hours on the phone with, 2 to 4 hours sometimes a day, just being drilled with information so that I can go forth and make sure that I am helping people live their best financial lives, right? My motto is to help people make, manage, and multiply money. And a lot of times I am able to show people how to do that with their credit alone. So many people are trying to get to a 6 figure plus income. Imagine if you learned how to do that with just credit alone. Just all you need. Some people don't even have jobs that I know. They're leveraging credit like crazy, and because there's a thing called good debt and bad debt. Bad debt you go to work for. Good debt goes to work for you. It pays for the debt and it also pays you. So this is how wealthy people have learned how to play the game, how to change the game in their favor, and how to live the life and the lifestyle that they desire to live. While the rest of us are out here toiling and making other people rich, nope. I'm showing people how to do this the right way if you desire to do it. Again, I never endorse anybody quitting a job, but I often say that I have not punched a clock since 2008. Since 2008, I haven't punched the clock, and I made a bold move back when the mortgage crisis was happening. When I had lost everything twice in 1 year, I made a bold move to start my business and to not look forward from that point forward. So, my mission is to put others in position and to make sure I am helping people to live their lives out loud. and that is what I do. So I put this program together for that reason, because I know that there are people who cannot afford my full service program. So when you can't afford the full service program, then this is the next best option for you. This is how you learn to prosper. This is how you get the tools and resources you need to win. So, what you're going to see here, the first thing you see when you get the program and you get the Get Started guide, you're going to see this. It says, Welcome to the Pink Print program. The first thing I ask you to do is to click here and complete the pledge to personal financial success. I strongly believe that if you cannot keep a promise to yourself, then who can you keep a promise to, right? If you cannot say, I am going to do this for me and for where I am trying to be and where I'm trying to go and grow to, if you can't say, I'm going to give it my all to build my legacy, to make sure that my kids don't have to get it out the mud, that my nieces and nephews have exactly what they need when it comes to winning financially, then who are you doing this for? I hope you're not doing this for a new designer bag or a new luxury car only. And I can show you how to do those things too when you're not having to go to work to pay for them, right? So there are different things that can be done and taught to you, but you got to first make a promise to yourself when you get this program, okay? The next thing is for you to schedule your consultation. I do this because I want you to see exactly what needs to be worked on your credit file. You get what's called a credit analysis. It breaks down exactly where you're at, what is hindering your file, so you're not all over the place. You know exactly what needs to be taken care of. It shows you how high your utilization is, exactly what negative items are affecting your credit at this moment, and then I give you a plan, a pathway, and a process to success on how to accomplish these things. All right, it's really simple. And then the rest of this is just a number of pages guiding you through the process. Real easy, real simple on how this all works. Okay, this is just the getting started guide. This is not the actual pink print. So you'll get 2 downloads when you order this. In addition, every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that is our Q&A sessions. That's when you come on for those who have this program and they have questions and they need some answers. But it's also for people who want to learn how to leverage their credit into building wealth, right? I can't help you get to the next level if you don't make the first move. If you can sacrifice spending $200 and $300 on a pair of sneakers or a coat or a bag, why can't you invest $200 in your financial lifestyle and changing the financial trajectory of your life? I can't, force people to want to win in life. All I can do is give you the tools, give you the access to me and the people that I know, and then help you move from there, right? Passive income is something that you need to be creating. People build wealth through cash flow. So if you're just selling one thing, you're going to just be somebody who wants to sell cosmetics. Once I buy the cosmetics, that's your one and done deal. If I'm not on your subscription plan, then you're not creating passive income or cash flow, right? So if you sell cakes, if you wanted me to be on your monthly subscription for a new cake each month, you need to have a program set up for that, right? But this is if you want to do hard work and make these things happen. But there are other ways to make money where it constantly flows in, where you don't have to do any hard work, toiling for it every day, right? Every day people get up and do active income, be it from home or in an office. If something happens to you, what happens then, right? We all know that there is no such thing as job security. So I am giving people the blueprint on how to make these things happen, how to put things in place where they are working for you and not against you. But again, the full program that is laid out is available at prosper.pinkpowerceo.com. Again, prosper.pinkpowerceo.com. Again, I want you to go there, watch the overview because it is laid out in full detail. I am not a gatekeeper, so I am giving the information on how you can create $6,000 to $15,000 each month. But the first step is to make sure that we start moving your credit in the direction that the banks need it to be in. And then from there, I can start guiding you on where to go and how to grow, right? So, prosper.pinkpowerceo.com is the website. And if you forgot to write down the coupon code, it's Pink Print 100 all together. Pink Print 100. And 100 is the number. So Pink Print in the number 100 all together to get $100 off on this program when you check out. So again, go to prosper.pinkpowerceo.com and then go to checkout, and then make sure in the coupon code section you put in Pink Print 100 because it's for a limited time. It's already affordably priced, but I want to make sure that people who are really serious about getting their credit life and their financial lives in order have access. I have often been told that I'm always trying to help people who normally can't go through my full service program. I'm always trying to make accommodations. And that is because I have been that person who has lost everything more than once. In 1 year, I lost everything twice, right? And rebuilding is something that I have done more than once. But the thing is, I've done it and I've learned from it. And you don't have to go through the things that I have gone through because now I can guide you on the right path and put you in position to win so that you can help your family win, so that you can help the next generation win, right? You don't have to get everything out the mud. I promise you, you don't. If you pay attention to people who have done it, who have fought through it, who have learned the rules, and are willing to share them with you, then you will be in a much better position moving forward, right? So, the last time, the website is prosper.pinkpowerceo.com and the coupon code is pinkprint100 to access my full program. I'll talk to you soon.